Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about sidechain compression, particularly the pumping effect. So here's 3 tracks side by side, the kickstart from Nicky Romero, the pumper from Waves, and then one with the stock compressor from Ableton. Okay, here's our synth, soloed, no sidechain compression. This is just as it is. I got a little drum loop in here just to keep it fun. Okay, cool. Let's check out the Nicky Romero kickstart. You can find this plugin for like $10 to $25 depending on if it's on sale. But here's how it sounds. You can mess with the mix, and there's a bunch of different waveforms that you can choose from, which is really cool. All right, here goes the Waves pumper. This is a 1-knob plugin, so it's super simple, really easy to use. Okay, so we want to do the exact same thing with our just stock Ableton compressor. So let's turn that on. I'm going to solo it and loop it. So the first thing we need to do is set up a sidechain track. I'm just using a rim sample that's playing on all of the quarter notes. The subdivision of your sample will determine the timing of the sidechain compression. So that sample is now our sidechain track, and that'll be fed into the compressor through a sidechain input. Okay, so let's add our compressor. Under Audio Effects, you'll go to Dynamics, open that up, and then double-click on Compressor. So then you'll click on the arrow to open up some different settings. Click on Sidechain, and then for the input, you're gonna go find your sample. I call it SC for sidechain. So I'm gonna click on that. Okay, now pull your threshold all the way down and you'll hear it start pumping. You can tweak settings by messing with the dry wet, the release, the attack to your liking, but I actually like how it's sitting right here. Let's A/B it with the pumper. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.